Hi, I'm Eugene Sakai,
And I'm Sean Rindy.
and we're with Studio S Squared Architecture. Today we're going to talk about a project we designed in 2016. It's in Palo Alto, and it's actually in a kind of an interesting complex, a bit of a departure for our firm,
Yeah,
right?
this
Maybe talk
is
a little bit about that.
Yeah, this is a unique project for us, like Eugene said. It's in a retirement community called Vi, or maybe it's Vi, in Palo Alto. So it was it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo unit inside this retirement home. And what was really interesting about doing a project like this is that we had a lot of constraints that we had to respect. Specifically, obviously, the footprint of the condo was set, but so were the locations of the utilities that were serving multiple tenants.
Now, that's because this is a multi-story building, right? There's plumbing that has to go through all levels of this building,
Yes.
and you can't move that because you're going to affect somebody else's bathroom
Exactly.
upstairs.
Yeah, we actually went through a couple explorations with the property manager, the building owner, about what we could do, what we could move, what services we could disrupt for the tenants above and below. And
It was basically nothing.
it was pretty much nothing. Yeah, but it was okay. You know, we were able to leverage some of these constraints into some really nice design features. For example, there is a gas line running vertically through the middle of the home, and we decided to encapsulate that in a really nice oversized decorative column feature that then sort of captured a little buffet between the living area and the dining area.
Yeah.
And it wound up being a design feature, a constraint that we turned into a feature. That's something we try to do on almost every project. Every project's got constraints. This one had a little more so.
Yeah.
But interestingly enough, the more constraints you have on a project, typically the faster it goes. There's less design exploration you can do. And so for this project, I looked at the dates we had. We started and finished the design and the construction documents in a 1-month period.
That's
and that
amazing.
included a 1-week vacation for the clients when they went to Paris. So it went really lightning fast because there's really only so much we could do. But again, within those constraints, we tried to do the best we could.
Despite it being so constrained, I mean, this is undoubtedly a complete makeover of this unit. Nothing was left untouched.
Nothing
correct?
was left untouched.
I mean,
right.
you could walk into this at the beginning of the project, and there was just
We did
bare
actually.
concrete.
It was bare concrete,
Exposed
patched drywall.
everything.
Was gutted. It looked very
Yeah.
much bare bones inside.
It did. A lot of credit has to go to the project manager that the owners retained, right?
Yeah.
I mean, he was great to work with.
John Childs with Exquisite Designs. He was a real great asset to both the owners and to us to sort of help navigate those difficult construction techniques that had to be respected due to the tenants above and below. And again, this isn't a retirement home too. You know, it's not like
we disrupt
we don't want to be
people around you.
Yeah, we really don't want to be disruptive to those elderly tenants.
Well, for such a small project, I mean, it had its complexities, but I mean, as you can see from this video, it turned out really well, don't you think?
I do, yeah. One of the really fun sort of challenges to get around, again, with this being a retirement home for the elderly, was trying to make the flush master shower work so they could, in the future, they're not in a wheelchair yet, fortunately, but in the future they want to be able to roll in and roll out if they had to. We had to actually incorporate a small little sloped walkway in the little hallway off their master suite to get to the bathroom. So that was
future-proofing, but
future-proofing.
Again with that constraint
again with
of
all
not
the
being able to chip
not being able to chip
floor.
away the plumbing for the shower waste.
Exactly. Well, Sean, great look back on what was a really successful and fun project to work on.
Cool, thank you.